Hi everyone, it's Jose from Moduurn here. Thank you for participating in Dine Around 2022. I want to show you how simple it is to download the Order Manager to receive the orders and how to accept the orders so that you can serve your customers and the online orders for pickup or delivery. So the first thing you want to do is go to your tablet, Android or iPad, and search for the Moduurn Order Manager app. In this case, I made a search for the App Store, and it shows up right here in the top results, and this should give you an idea of what you're looking for. Once you download, please use the credentials that were given to you. In this case, we're gonna use this Fiamo as an example with a password. You log into the app, and this is what you're gonna see. As you can see, in this case, there's an order, test order that we've placed, and you can actually change the volume here, which I'm going to drop so that you can listen to me. So the first thing you want to do is simply expand the order so that you can see what it is about and make sure that everything is available. If it looks good, then you simply accept it. If not, then you would cancel. But in this case, because it looks good, we're going to accept it, and then choose a preparation time that is very accurate for your customer to follow instructions. Once I confirm, and this time gets sent into an SMS to their phone that will let them know that the precise time, as we see here, 12:30, for them to pick up the order or for the delivery to pick it up as well. Once this is complete, you can click complete or payment here, like in this case, so that the order shows that it's complete and it goes into the past orders. And that's it. With this, you can serve your clients and get their food for those that don't or can't come to your restaurant but still want to enjoy your delicious food. Thank you for your attention, and let's have a great Dine Around 2022.